Welcome to our video series on in-mold decorating. My name is Pat Tully and I'm a program manager here at DuraTech Industries. In this short video series, DuraTech will provide a brief overview of the in-mold decorating process, its features and benefits, important criteria for material and ink selection, and a few recommended guidelines to follow. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. At DuraTech, in-mold decorating, or IMD for short, refers to a durable, printed insert that is individually supplied to a molder. Unfortunately, the description of the process for transferring graphics to a molded part during injection varies across the industry and across the globe. And what DuraTech and others refer to as IMD, or in-mold decorating, can also be referred to as IML, in-mold labeling, or FIM, film insert molding, just to name a couple. In this series, IMD will refer to the following process. Graphics are printed on the film using one or a hybrid of several printing processes. The inserts can be printed roll to roll or in sheet form. At DuraTech, the vast majority of our inserts are printed in sheet form using the screen printing process. Screen printing is the most durable and versatile of the printing processes, providing a vibrant and vast array of color choices. If your application is three-dimensional, the printed film insert is then formed using heat and pressure or vacuum into the desired part geometry. The preformed or flat applique is then precisely trimmed using steel rule or hard tooling. Electronic knife plotters or lasers can be used for trimming developmental or small volume production runs. The individually cut insert is then manually or robotically inserted into the mold cavity. A compatible resin is then injection molded behind or over the printed applique. This Class A finished part requires no additional trimming, buffing, or top coating. Well, this ends our video. Please plan on joining us for the rest of our series, including our next installment where we will look at alternative decorating processes and their strengths and shortcomings. Take care.